So let's answer another possible board exam question in criminal law and jurisprudence. So don't forget to share this video para lahat updated sa paparating na board exam. So the question is, preliminary investigation is conducted on cases punishable by letter A, at least 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. Letter B, at least 6 years and 1 day without regard to fine. Letter C, less than 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day. And letter D, 6 years, 1 day, and above. So alam naman natin that preliminary investigation is a prerequisite or it is a requirement before filing an information in court. So yan yung tinatawag natin na PI is a matter of right. Dati alam naman natin na 421. So alisin nyo na yan sa isip ninyo kasi under the DOJ or the Department Circular Number 15 series of 2024, so ang preliminary investigation is conducted on cases punishable by at least 6 years and 1 day without regard to fine. So again, tandaan nyo, at least 6 years and 1 day without regard to fine. But of course, the prosecutor or the investigating prosecutor, pwede niyang i-dismiss yung na-filed na complaint kapag hindi niya nakitaan ng prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction. Again, i-dismiss niya on his own behalf kapag hindi niya nakitaan ng prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction. So ano nga ba yung prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction? So that is a quantum of evidence needed. Of course, that is under the Rule 2, Section 15 ng naturang Department Circular Number na yan. So nakalagay doon that the quantum of evidence required for preliminary investigations and inquest proceedings is dapat ma-establish yung prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction. Of course, dapat nandun ma-establish yan based on the case at hand. So the testimonial evidence, the documentary evidence, of course, the real evidence. So paano nga ba yon? Okay, so in-establish or paano dapat ma-establish yung prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction? Of course, the prosecutor dapat ma-convince mo siya on the entirety of the proceedings that the evidence presented is admissible, of course, credible and capable of being preserved or to be presented. Of course, dapat ma-establish mo rin yung elements of the crime or offense, and as well as yung identity or the identity of the persons involved in the crime. So that's the time na the preliminary investigation or the information should be filed in court. So again, ang quantum of evidence required in preliminary investigation class or ang hinahanap natin is the prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction. Before, ang hinahanap natin is the probable cause. So ngayon, tandaan niyo, ang quantum of evidence needed in preliminary investigations and inquest proceedings is dapat ma-establish natin ang prima facie evidence with certainty of conviction. So yan yung sinabi ko kanina, dapat ma-convince mo ngayon ang prosecutor that the evidence presented is credible, admissible, and of course, it is capable to be being preserved and presented as evidence, as well as ma-establish mo yung elements of the crime. So, basahin nyo yung kabuuan ng Department of Justice, Department Circular Number 15 para mas maintindihan ninyo or yung mga points doon. So again, preliminary investigation is conducted on cases punishable by at least 6 years and 1 day without regard to fine. So 6-1 na ngayon. So alisin nyo na yung 4-2-1. So don't forget to share this.